Supreme has been holding back on us for the last few weeks, but this week, week 15, is different. This week we're getting a collaboration with the iconic WTAPS, or as we call it in America, WTAPS.
I feel like I'm chosen, I'm covered in gold.
Welcome back, friends, to another edition of Fauntleroy's Finest. Yes, I am back on a ship, and I'm in an interior room, so no balcony, no sea, no nothing, just a wall. Sorry. But I don't need a fancy backdrop for you guys this weekend because Supreme is providing all of the eye candy that you can handle.
Surprise, motherfucker!
That is right, this Double Tap collaboration may be one of the best that I've seen in a long time. Definitely the best collaboration that we've seen since I've been doing videos. Almost every piece of this collaboration is comparable. For real, this collaboration is so fire it might as well be a volcano. So for those of you who are unaware of Double Taps or even have heard of them before, they're a Japanese streetwear brand, and honestly they're on par with like Neighborhood, Bape, some other brands over there. Not as popular in the US as some of those other brands are. Double Taps is very similar to Supreme though in Tokyo. People waiting in line to buy stuff selling out very quickly, same sort of model. Double Taps, Neighborhood, Bape, they were kind of the ground floor of that Japanese streetwear culture that sort of was influenced by US stuff as well. Double Taps' vibe is a very military kind of undertone to it. They kind of blend in some kind of anti-establishment type of stuff, you know, the kind of things that all of us like on our t-shirts. But either way, this is going to be a very popular collaboration. These items will sell out fast.
Oh, God!
Before I get into it, I forgot to shout out +1 for this shirt. I won this t-shirt from a +1 contest that I entered from the Halloween contest. I played Sophia from the Golden Girls, and you know the boys just couldn't deny me a victory, so shout out to +1, Jacob, and the boys over there. Thank you very much. There you go, +1 for the win. It probably paid for like 3 months of my membership too, by the way.
Hey, that's pretty good.
We are getting 11 items from this Double Taps collaboration, and almost every single one of them is amazing. We are getting a Mitchell & Ness bomber jacket, a faux fur jacket, a tactical down vest, a Supreme Double Taps hoodie, a Supreme Double Taps crew neck, a Supreme Double Taps hockey jersey, Supreme Double Taps t-shirt, Supreme Double Taps beanie, a Supreme Double Taps deck with 2 colors, Supreme Double Taps incense, and one of the coolest incense burners that I've ever seen, the Supreme Double Taps grills Incense Burner. I was kind of excited hoping that they were real grills and I would just get some to put in and fix my teeth, but I guess it's just an incense burner. I think they've done an amazing job of blending in some really cool subtle pieces and some pieces that were a little more out there and had some more flair to them. There are literally only a couple of items that I'm not that interested in. The first one is this faux fur jacket. It's going to be like $600, although if you like faux fur, this is a really nice faux fur jacket. Don't get me wrong, I'm just not a faux fur guy and I don't want to sink, $600 into a jacket for no reason. And then shockingly, I'm not really that interested in these decks. Yeah, I know, I'm the one guy that would normally be interested in any deck that they put out. They've just made so many decks this year, and that Sikkim branding I don't think is going to be anything that people are going to want or go after down the road, so I just don't see a whole lot of future for these, and I have so many decks, I don't need any more.
Don't care, still don't care.
They have a beanie that I'm not super interested in either, but honestly for the beanies that have the little puff on the top, it's not a bad beanie, it looks okay, and would definitely be a great little item to add into a cart to save on free shipping. And now into the good stuff. So first off, this hockey jersey, according to some early numbers that I have, which are sometimes right, sometimes wrong, these are going to be $168. Which is a great price point. If you get these in the large sizes, I think they'll do really well. XLs, XXLs. You can really never go wrong with some of these cool, clean hockey jerseys. But again, there are better things to go after this week. Like this hoodie, this Sikkim Supreme Double Taps hoodie.
Okay.
It has the nice color in the front and then the cool tag in the back. Of these, I'm really into the olive colorway the best. Double Taps has a very military vibe. So to me, in this collaboration, all of the olive colorways are the ones that look the best. However, black is always king for resale. So if you can get black XLs, XXLs in any of these items, you are probably going to be pretty happy about that. Then we have the t-shirts. They're basically the same thing as the hoodies. For $54, you can't go wrong with these as well. Obviously a higher price point for the t-shirts, but pretty standard as far as the collaborations have gone lately. And again, black for this one definitely is the best way to go. XXLs, XLs, are your best bet there. And I'm telling you right now, this might help bring crew necks back, because this crew neck is so nice and clean.
Who are you?
I don't know if it's going to resell a ton. The price that I have here is at $158. I think that XLs and XXLs in the black and olive colorway should have some profit. The red one is a little more reminiscent of the last Double Tap Supreme collaboration, so potentially there's some nostalgic love for the red colorway there, but for the most part, black is always king. But personally, I just think the olive colorways in these look so clean. Next up, we have this tactical down vest. Honestly, this is a really cool item too. I'm not really sure if it'll resell or not. They probably won't make very many of these, so they'll be really rare. They are a really cool item, and if they're filled with down, they'll be actually extremely warm as well. The price I have on this one is $178, so I could definitely see these going for like $250, something like that on the resale market. So just pay attention to retails. At $178, it's already an expensive vest anyway, so that's probably a pretty solid price point, and I still stick with $250-ish if you can get the bigger sizes. And then next I'm going to show you this bomber jacket. Man, god darn it, this thing might be the nicest bomber jacket I've seen come out of Supreme.
Yeah, boy, ow, man.
It's so nice. It's a Michelin Ness bomber jacket. That thing's going to be about $450, maybe more. I think if you can get one of these in an XL as well, you're going to make a lot of profit off of this jacket. I guarantee you this will be a rare jacket. There won't be very many of them. This could end up being one of those grail items in the future. 2 years down the road, you could be selling it for, 3 times what you paid for it. $450 is a lot to put into a jacket, but I guarantee you there will be money in this one. And then my favorite piece of the collaboration is an accessory, this Grill's Incense Burner. Right now I see that the price point is at $58. That's a leaked price, so who knows if that's right. If it is though, those things are gonna fly. It's one of the cooler incense burners that I've seen, especially from Supreme. And if the retail on these is $58, the price on these could go through the roof. This item could end up being one of the better return on investment items of the whole year, and I'm going to include box logos on it. I'm going to assume they're not going to make very many of these. This is just a cool conversation coffee table piece to have in your house. Everyone that comes over is going to take a look at it, pick it up, and ask you about it. I'm all in on these. I'm going to try to get as many of these as I got Skittles packs last week. And of course, they also have special incense that goes along with it. I don't know if you're going to be able to double cart the burner with the incense. I think the burner is going to go really fast this week. But wait, there's more. A few of the lookbook items have trickled in this week, and we are also getting the Storm Bowling Ball. That's right, folks, for about $210, allegedly, you can have your own Hype Beast bowling ball. That's right, just like the speakers of last week, they took a bowling ball, they painted it white, and they slapped a box logo on it. In reality, though, I do see reselling this bowling ball. Storm bowling balls are really nice, and I do think that these will flip. I can't imagine that they're going to make a ton of these bowling balls, and I know $210 seems like a lot for a bowling ball, but I do have faith that these will do well over time. Maybe not right away, but I do see this as an item that will steadily rise. It's an item that if you can just buy it, put it in a closet, and bring it out in a year, I bet you'll be very happy that it was there.
Stop it. Get some help.
And that's not all, because they're giving us one of the most anticipated lookbook items of the year, the Supreme Hanes Bones Thermals. That's right, they're selling the thermal crews and the pants. They are selling those separately, so you're going to have to be very fast if you want to get a set, because you have to go to one page and then go to the other. With all of these great items coming out, week 15 looks like it could potentially be the best week for Fall/Winter 21 that we've seen so far. Alright guys, make sure you subscribe so you're eligible for the $200 mystery box raffle that will be coming up. And then definitely pay attention for the top 5 items of the week video that will be coming out by Wednesday. So with all that being said, I wish you luck with all of your copying endeavors this week, and I will see you next video.
Right till you beat that down.